Hello, so brother. Today our topic is learn the engineering, electrical engineering. So we have a choose today. We have a choose. The topic is a performing of a electrical test in a EHV power substations. Means E for extra, H for high tension voltage power substations. So before we have discussing about that, please subscribe our channel to get the more update about the electrical and the power stations. Still not subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get the knowledge about the electricals. Maintenance and the testing. With ever growing demand of a power, it is uncommon of a transmission in the utilize, build and operate the substation at a high voltage and the extra high voltage EHV level of a maintenance and testing assessment in a EHV stations is a critical for a proper electric power grid and operation and the reliability. Means the EHT and the extra high tension is a that line which is still in a fault or in a area or any damages occur on a line that more area has been disturbed. So our engineering teams are thinking about that the before any damages occur on that line, please arrange the preventive maintenance on it from damages and of affected of a more common supplies are affected on this more commercial supplies are performing of electrical measurement actually and reliable in the same environment is always challenging because of a presence of a unwanted electrostatic noise and interference. Testing bushing current transformer and BCT on a transformer and the circuit breaker can be especially problematic because of induced voltage in the bushing terminal from the permanently overhead of a energization line. In these high noise environment, testing recommended in standardizations of electrical such as the ratio, polarity, excitation, DC, insulated resistance, and the many suffer from inconstant and unreliability measurements. The paper address who have performance the recommendation of a test BCT safely and accordingly EHV stations and discuss the different sources of undesirable electrical signals can be inferred on a measurement of a circuit and the techniques such as smart grounding principles. Smart grounding principles are shown that the purpose of electrostatic performance and make the test setup immune to the external factors. Proper inclusion within the cause of a steady testing in the multiple BCTs and auto transformer within the treasury in energization of a EST substation in inclement weathers of a condition where the BCT and the tested with a high accuracy and the precision. Current transformer is in a DC supplies, circuit breakers and the relays are some of the key components and protect the control system. The reliability of operation in the protection system depend upon a large extension in the performance of these devices in this operation. These components may be leave the power system in unvaluable and within the possible of irreparable damages and the periodic testing of these systems will be ensuring the protection circuit and would be operated when it called upon. CTs not only provide the means of reflecting status of a primary circuit breaker and provide the isolation between the high voltage and the primary, secondary, and the measurement of a control devices. BCT and transformers and the circuit breakers are electrically tested within their accommodation to verify their performance and the insurance that the meeting the manufacturing specifications. Testing BCT and become a challenge and when you are overheaded energized lines and the measurements suffer from induced voltage bushing terminal, and this problem can be postponed when testing performance in EHV stations. This paper attempts to address of issue. You first understand the root cause of a problem, recommendation to the solution performance, and the test is the recommendation and the finally evaluation the results. This overall discuss is about the paperwork about our high voltage EHV volt power has been discussed about that. What this paper has been accommodation means first need to know the what the fault is occur on that type of stations or any overhead line. First evaluate them and then will be perform the properly maintenance on it for a future to their circuit will not be tripped as usually. Due to the importance of a city play the important role in the power system and the protections, Power Engineering Society recommended the certain field of measurements. Measurements are designed to verify the proper operation, the connection, and the condition of a cities. Outline of a certain design tested and will be in the produce the following are listed to be recommendation for the measurements. Means here are some tests which has been occurred for from on a high voltage means ratio test. This test verify the ratio of a connection of a city as well as any taping within available. This is can be accordingly within the compiling of a both in and out service. This out service and the voltage method requires injecting voltage into the secondary V1 and measuring the primary voltage V2, which will be directly related to the CT and the trans ratios. In service current of both placing of meters are a secondary primary meter lead in recording to the current value, and these are also be directly related to the CT trans and also ratios. We will be know the performance of a CT, what the performance CT is working correctly or not. And other one test is occurred like the polarity test, means the proper phase sequence is required means polarity. The test verified from the current flow in the secondary matches in a design to respect to the primary current. This is especially important to the CT for using in a different and the comparing a relay. This can accomplish the number of ways to include the temporary applying the DC voltage and then the primary, secondary, and the verify all analog meter deflections. Apply on AC onto the secondary to apply the scholarship and compares the primary voltage and the pulling the reference CT within the different of a test CT then the verifying the current magnitude and the measures the phase angles. Means average polarity ratio is depend upon the phase sequence. What the phase sequence means? It means a red phase is connected within the red phase, not to another or a blue or a yellow. Means same polarity has been connected, then will be line will be working okay or in another method commonly used to the field test instrument is a comparison of a phases angle between the secondary voltage V1 and primary voltage VP, where the phase angle close there would be indicated the correct polarity and close to a 180 would be present incorrectly polarity. Please thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my video. Please subscribe my channel. Still not yet subscribed. If you required any topic about the electrical engineering and their maintenance and the protection, please comment below. I will be provide you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me. And if you watch my video, please comment below and press the like button to know that person has been watched. Thank you.